My name is Tim with Cornerstone Real Estate Team. Today I'm going to discuss identification, purpose, function, and testing on the Gfci. Let's get started. The acronym for Gfci stands for Ground Fault Circuit Interrupter. It is easy to identify. It is equipped with test and reset buttons. When the test button is depressed, electrical power to the receptacle is turned off. Depressing the reset button restores electrical power to the receptacle. The purpose of a Gfci outlet works by cutting power to an electrical outlet to protect against electrical shock. For example, if you are using a hairdryer or an electrical shaver plugged into the receptacle and you accidentally made contact with the water, the Gfci is designed to detect that and close the circuit and trip. The function of the Gfci units are electrical outlets equipped with a ground fault sensor and a circuit breaker which senses a ground fault and is programmed to turn off the electrical power to the electrical receptacle when danger is sensed. They should be found in all areas where a water source is present, such as those located in kitchens, wet bars, bathrooms, garages, as well in unfinished basements, crawl spaces, laundry room, and exterior of the home. It is good practice to test your Gfci units on a monthly basis to be sure that they are functioning properly. Gfci units that have not been tested on a scheduled basis may not reset after being tested and therefore needs to be reported to your landlord. Please do not attempt to replace and repair the Gfci yourself. To test the Gfci, push the reset button. On many devices, the reset button is red. However, on some, the buttons are the same color as the outlet. You can also test this by plugging in a testing device such as a blender, lamp, or hairdryer. In this case, I'm utilizing a hairdryer with its own GFI. To simply test it, turn on your hairdryer. When this hairdryer senses any kind of water, it would shut off. To reset, hit the red button. And it should be back into function. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and have a nice day.